First of all, ano ang Naga? Iyaw nakita sa inyo niyan.
Dakulon igwa ang Naga na daikayang gibuhon kang iba.
We have established ourselves as a very prominent destination for faith, education, and good governance.
Good governance. That is a trademark which Naga City possess.
Igwa po bagang mga tao o lugar na pag nahiling mo, bigla kang mapapakiling as in mapapasabing, wow, abang gayon ay. Unfortunately, bako pong arog kayan ang Naga. Igwa man bagang mga tao o lugar na sa inot, daimo gayong papansinon. Pero habang naghahaloy, nang ihiling o namamati mong mas NagaYon. We cannot dazzle visitors with awe-inspiring sights and experiences. But we offer something far more precious. Our genuine warmth, our vibrant culture, and our innovative spirit.
You have to wonder why Naga, without any natural beauty, right, can produce amazing personalities, right? World-class personalities, actors, politicians. Not only that, brands that can compete with multinational chains, multinational companies. And you ask yourself why? Why is Naga able to produce such things? And it's because of this quite invisible mysticism.
Ang NagaYon. Yan ang tinauhan Diyos sa Naga na nagiging attraction mo niyan.
People empowerment. Wherein everybody in Bicol, everybody in Naga will say, NagaYon, kami ang nagibo kayan.
Importante, dapat gabus na sektor, masilag, mabarang. Iyan si dakula na pagpapasalamat ni talaga.
We have to have what we call partnership and collaboration because this is the secret, to be able to have more tourist arrival in our place.
The fact that it's community-based, we consulted the stakeholders and they really bought into the idea of coming up together as a family, as a community with a solid tagline for the city.
Pero duwa lang na sigilabol, dara na si gabos. Dara na si sense of pride na pag-mention mo ang Naga. And then yon, isa sa imong pagmangha.
It's clear, it's straightforward. It's telling people na if something is mahusay, maganda, magayon, it's NagaYon.
Naga will not take your breath away, but it will give you reasons to breathe.
Let's give them a good time. Let's not just talk business. Let's bring them to a good restaurant. And on their last day, show them around Naga on some of our tourist places, especially, of course, our churches and some areas that we can show the history of Naga. Invite friends to come over, not show them what we have here in Naga, and development would be continuous for them.
So when people ask me why Naga, my answer is, where else?
Peña Francia Fiesta, NagaYon. Kinalas, NagaYon. Ang maugmang lugar, NagaYon. The heart of Bicol, NagaYon.
May I therefore invite everyone to come to Naga and find a place where you can feel safe, calm, and genuinely happy. Here you can unwind, recharge, and embrace a sense of renewal. Come not just for places and attractions. Come to experience Naga. Come visit Naga, where every visit feels like coming home. A destination of next level tourism experience, NagaYon.